How to fix Roblox audio not working. First thing what I want to do is just open up your Roblox app, to Roblox player right here, and wait for it to load. So once it's loaded up, if the game that you are playing has the audio, what you want to do is try a different game. So let's say I'm gonna play this game. Now once you're there, what you need to do is just click on or tap on escape on your keyboard. Then go to your settings. Make sure that the volume is turned up right here. So if it's turned off, it should look like that. So make sure that it is turned on for you. And on the output device, make sure that the output device that is being used is what you are using. So I'm using my headphones currently, so I have it set right there. But if you are using speakers, you should set it to speakers right there. And if it's still not working, what you need to do is just go back, exit out of Roblox first, go to your Windows settings. So here on the tray at the bottom right, just simply click on that. Then this should pop up. Then click on the arrow right here. So I'm using Windows 11. Then click on more volume settings right there. Then this window will pop up. Make sure that it is set to headphones on your sound. Then make sure that the volume one is turned on also. And I'm just going to open Roblox again. And once Roblox is turned on, you should go back to the volume mixer right here on the bottom right side of your screen. Then go to volume mixer. So it's just the same here. Then the arrow. Then here you'll see volume mixer. Click on the gear icon next to it. And this will pop up, and make sure that Roblox is here, and you should set it to 100. So let's say system sound set to 100. And if you're using Roblox on your browser, you should make your browser set to 100. And now if your Roblox is right there, if it's muted, it will look like that. So make sure that it is set to 100 also. And if it's still not working, what you need to do is make a troubleshooter. So to do that, just go to your Windows, search for troubleshoot settings right there. Simply click on that. Then click on other troubleshooters. Then run this audio troubleshoot. So just simply click on run. But if you don't have, you need to install the GitHub. If you don't have it on your PC, just simply install it. So it will automatically pop up if you don't have it on you. So once it's downloaded, you simply need to run it again, and the PC will automatically do the troubleshooting for you. And that's how I basically fix Roblox audio not working.